Hello, first grade. Today for the math facts portion of your day, you have two sheets. There's a lesson worksheet 70-1, and there is a fact homework sheet as well. We're going to start with the lesson worksheet 70-1A. Now, I've given these to you for a couple of times now, and I realize I didn't really do a very good job explaining this to you, so I want to do that today. The first thing that you're going to do with this sheet is you're going to take it and you're going to fold it right along the dotted lines. See, when I open it up, my fold was right on the dotted line. So you're going to do that first. Once it's folded, you're going to stay on this side A, and where it says column A, write the answers. We're going to write the answers to subtracting two facts today. That means we have to count backwards by 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 4, 3, 2. 5 minus 2, 5, 4, 3. 6 minus 2, 6, 5, 4. 7 minus 2. I always start at 7 and then I can count backwards. 7, 6, 5. 8 minus 2, 8, 7, 6. That first number is not being counted when I say this number. When I said 8, I didn't count 8 as one that I was going backwards. It's my starting spot. I say that to give myself a starting spot. 9 minus 2, 9, 8, 7. 10 minus 2, 10, 9, 8. 11 minus 2, 11, 10, 9. 12 minus 2, 12, 11, 10. 13 minus 2, 13, 12, 11. Now, if you needed to use cubes, or if you wanted to have a number line, you could also do that, okay? I'm so sorry, excuse me. Now that we have done part A, we're just going to literally flip it so that you see the learning wrap-up. Now, we went over learning wrap-ups last time. However, I'd like to go over them with you again. Now, this learning wrap-up is the paper copy so that you get the hang of where the facts lie on this wrap-up. So, 9. We start over here with 9 and minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 9, 8, 7. So I'm going to go from here over to here. And then it's just as if you wrapped it around and you went right down to your next number. 4 minus 2 is 2. You wrapped it around to the next number. 2 minus 2 is 0. Wrap it around. 10 minus 2 is 8. Wrap it around. 3 minus 2 is 1. Wrap it around to the next number. 8. See how we just went right down the row. 8 minus 2 is 6. Wrap it. 6 minus 2 is 4. Wrap it. 5 minus 2. Wrap it. 11 minus 2. Wrap it. 13 minus 2. 11. 7 minus 2. 12 minus 2. Okay? Now, the only difference here is that you can't flip it over the back side and say, okay, are my lines correct? But there will be a new wrap-up for you to practice that in your folder over the weekend. So make sure that when you grab your new folder, Sunday or Monday, you should have a wrap-up in there. Now go to the back side. You're not going to be able to do these minus 2 wrap-ups today. So you're not going to have to worry about this top part. But you are responsible for doing this backside. This is giving you lots of practice with your minus 2 facts. So, I would like you to practice with column A, column B, and column C. Do your best not to look to the front side. If you need to, make yourself your own little number line. Only needs to go to 12, it needs to go to 13. Okay, or use your red math folder, and you can use that as well. Okay, then when you're done with that lesson worksheet, you have some fact homework. You're going to pretend that you're the teacher. This is so fun. Pretend you're the teacher and you're going to correct the paper. And anytime you find a mistake, you're going to write the correct answer next to the problem, just like we do in class. Now be careful. You're going to want to get your adding and your subtracting mixed up. Don't let that happen. For instance, 6 minus 1 is 7. That's what it says. But is 6 get rid of 1 equals 7? No, it equals 6. So if you would like to circle it and then write the correct answer, you can. Or if you would like to just write the correct answer next to it, that's great with me as well. The backside, I am going to tell you that I want you to do the first 5 rows. You do not have to do rows 6 through 10. If you choose to do 6 through 10, that's great. But you at least need to do rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? 6 through 10 would just be added bonus for you and help you hopefully to get a little bit faster with your math facts. So when you have finished these 2 sheets, the only thing you'll have left to do for math is your math assessments, which are coming up next.